Hello everyone, I am Nabil Haidar and I'm in your service today to teach you how to use the Solidworks 2019 Premium Edition. Yeah, it's the newest edition. I will teach you how to use it for beginners, and we're gonna draw a 3D design, a simple one and a pretty nice one for training. And I have written all the notes that I will use so you can use it later alone for training. Okay, this is the first screen that appears after opening the SolidWorks. In order to start, you're gonna press the new file and then choose a part. Okay, a part, it is the most important one. If you know how to use a part, you can use the assembly or the drawing. Okay, the part, you know. Okay, here we have started the program, and in order to start drawing, we created a part, and the first thing that appears here is the sketch tool and the features tool. Okay, we're gonna go to the features tool and press the extruded boss phase. You know, we're gonna choose a boss phase or a boss plane that we're gonna focus on. Okay, we're gonna choose the front plane, it's the easiest one. Then it's automatically moved to the sketch part. Here we're gonna choose the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. We're gonna put it on the origin and draw. Okay, our drawing today has a rectangle, so I am using a rectangle. You can see it after finishing the video. I wish you enjoy. Okay, we have drawn the rectangle. Now we're gonna determine its dimensions. You know, we can determine if it's 120 milliliters by using our mouse only. So there's something named the smart dimension. We can use it. Press on the side, move it up, and then press again, and then we're gonna choose the the dimension that we want. We're gonna choose the 120 millimeters. Like this, and for this side also it's 120 millimeter. Okay, you see what happened now. The drawing goes up, so we can't see it properly. So there's something that SolidWorks did is zoom to fit, or we can press F. We press zoom to fit, so the drawing come to the middle of our screen, so we can see it properly again. Okay, that's great. Then, in order to turn this rectangle into or this square into a 3D view, we're gonna first apply our changes by pressing on this green mark, and then pressing exit sketch. Okay, after pressing exit sketch, we're gonna choose a depth for this cube. Then it's now a cube. Okay, we're gonna choose a 30 millimeter depth. Okay, now we're gonna apply the changes, and our our 3D view is ready to use. Ready to continue, you know. Okay, we're gonna show you something before continuing. It is this view orientation. You can press on it. There's 9 views that we can use in order to view our drawing, our design. Okay, we're gonna view from the front. We're gonna view it, you know, from up or from the right, you know, anyone, or you can view it isometric. The isometric is the best way to view a 3D view, you know, or we can goes up, down, and front, or just 2D. But we're gonna use them later. Okay, now we're gonna press on the front face because we're gonna add something into the front face. So we're gonna make it the extruded boss base, you know. Press on it, then press the extruded boss base, and it is automatically switched into the sketch tool. Then we're gonna change into the front view so we can draw circle. Yes, we gonna draw a cylinder on this rectangle, this square, so the drawing will be more pretty. Okay, so press here, and then tap here, and draw the circle. Okay. Okay. Here the circle is drawn, but its dimensions are wrong, and it's not in the middle, it's far away from the middle. So we're gonna use the smart dimension in order to first determine its diameter. Okay, we press on the circle and then move outside. We're gonna choose a diameter of 70 millimeters. Okay, now before applying, we're gonna put it in the middle of the square. Gonna tap here, also in the smart dimension, then tap at the top of here, and then choosing, it's 120 milliliter the side, so we're gonna choose 60 millimeter or to be in the middle, and then we're gonna tap the circle also in the smart dimension, then tap here, also we're gonna choose 60 millimeter, so it's 100% in the middle. Now we can just apply the changes, and you can see here it's fully defined. So when it becomes all the circle and the square, when they become both black, so it's fully defined, then we can make an exit sketch. After exiting the sketch, we're gonna choose the depth of the cylinder at 25 millimeter depth, and our drawing, or this part of our drawing is done. We can make like this. We can move 3D by pressing on the roll of the mouse. I don't know if you call it a roll. I call it a roll. Okay, and move the screen so we can see it 3D. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna make a zoom to fit. Okay, and try to make it isometric. Okay, we're gonna continue drawing our our design. Okay, now we're gonna learn how to use the extruded cut. Okay, it's used to for cutting a hole, and for cutting a hole. Okay, sorry for going, but my friend just came and started talking to me. Okay, in order to move to the next step, we're gonna use something called extruded cut. Okay, it's used for cutting a hole in the middle of the face that we choose. Okay, we now choose the cylinder that is in the middle. Okay, we press the extruded cut, and we choose the face that we're gonna work on. It is the front face. Press here, press twice, of course, in order to be blue. When it's a blue, it's good to go to the front face, and we're gonna now make a hole using the circle tool, and I'm pressing the circle tool. Okay, circle tool. Okay, I'm gonna move and draw okay, it's the center is automatically determined. We're gonna draw our circle here, and we're gonna what we must choose for its for its diameter. Okay, we're gonna apply the changes, and using the smart dimension, we're gonna determine its diameter. We choose 50 millimeters. I really know that it's 50. Okay, and we're gonna apply the changes, and then we exit the sketch. Okay guys, now we're gonna apply the changes, and then we're gonna exit the sketch, but this time we're gonna choose a through wall, because the blind means that is above the origin cylinder, the cylinder that we have drawn already. Okay, through wall, that means that it is a hole. We are cutting a hole. Okay, we're gonna just apply the changes, and now you can see the hole that I talked about. There it is. Okay, we're gonna now change the view into isometric, and two things left for finishing our job. It is the fillet tool. We're gonna make fillets. Fillets are curving these sides. We're gonna curve them till they are not sharp anymore. Okay, to do this, we're gonna click the fillet tool, and then we select the front face that we want to make fillet. Okay, we also need to make these sides, these four corner edges, also fillets, so we press them alone. Gonna be careful here and place them alone, not with the whole face. Okay, and one left, down, here it is. Okay, and we're gonna choose a radius of 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. Okay, so we're gonna apply the changes. Here is here what I meant with fillets. The sides or the edges are not, or the face even, is not sharp anymore. Okay, we're gonna make a fillet as well as for this front face of the cylinder. Okay, press here and choose radius of 1.5 millimeters. Press apply, and it's filleted. Okay, the last thing we're gonna make is to make a shell. Okay, you know what a shell is? Is a big gap or a big hole we're gonna make with the face until the last phase. You're gonna know what I mean by. Okay, we're gonna make a shell in the back of this design. Gonna press on the back, press shell, and then choose a parameter of 2 millimeters. Okay, oh, it was 2 millimeters. Okay, and then accept this. This is a shell. That's what I meant. Okay guys, also as well as the fillets are applied also on the in the inner face of the front face that we applied on. It's also inside. Okay, it's a pretty good and pretty nice design of an object, of a solid. Okay, our job is finished now. This is a good exercise and a good training for you beginners in the Solidworks to work on. You can okay, I made you something. Here are all the steps that we used in our work today. You can screenshot the screen and try it alone at home without seeing the video or something else. Okay, thanks for watching a lot. Tell me in the comments if you have any suggestion or anything. Share the video, like the video, subscribe, and goodbye.